Ever think sneezing is no big deal? Well, you're not ready for this. A single sneeze can blast out over 100,000 germs. Flying at 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah, faster than a sports car. And those germs, they can travel up to 26 feet across a room, meaning one sneeze could hit an entire dinner table before dessert. Each germ could carry viruses, bacteria, even the flu, and they hang in the air for minutes. Invisible, floating, infectious. So yeah, cover your mouth and maybe hold that sneeze in public, because next time you might go viral, literally. Like, share and follow for more medical facts that blow your mind.